Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog, and this is Under Altitude. Okay, I just want to remind everybody, good thing to do is go right to Drone Zone. Sign up, get your account. If you've got a drone over 250 grams, you're going to have to register it. The new Mavic Mini or DJI Mini 2 is under that requirement. But if you're going to use it for commercial use, such as doing videos and putting them up on YouTube, and those videos get monetized, it's got to be registered, because now you're making money with those videos that you're making with your Mini 2. When you do that, when you register it, you're going to have the option of going user 107 or part 107 or recreational flyer. When you are under that, your drone is going to be under that, and it's going to have its own registration number. You've got to put that registration number on there. And mine fell off. So I said, well, what the heck? You know, back when we used to have these, all, you know, for home use, hobby use, or whatever. And I said, well, that's a good idea. You know, go ahead and buy you one for $10 freaking. Decide what color you want to use as your ID, and then just go through the steps. I think it's supposed to have 3 in it. There's another black. Do we got a blue? We got a blue. It's not black. What colors? Someone's got a blue. There is a blue. Got a red, black, and blue. I only saw 3 in there. It looks like a black to me. Oh, nuts. They gave me 2 blacks. Yeah, that's alright. I wanted to make it blue. But there you go. When you sign up on here, you're going to have your inventory. There you go. You're going to have your DJI numbers here, registrations, what birds. I got a Mavic 2 and I got a Mavic Mini 1, or Mavic Mini 1 is what I call it. Mavic Pro, and then my Mini 2. This is your serial number that's on the drone, and this is your registration number. This is the one you need to put on there. If you've got a recreational flyer, which I do, where is that? My recreation. Get back over here, part 107, and let's see, we need to go the recreation side. This tells you got to mark it. Must be marked with the operation on it. Your guidance. Okay, and this one here, this is for my recreational birds. So you can put those in on as many birds as you want. I have this one set up for my Phantom Pro is what that one's on. So good for 3 years, I think. Now, aren't they? Let's see, this will give me the expiration date. Issued on the 20th, and it will expire on the same month in 23. So it's a 3 years for $5. And that's all you need to do. All you got to do is make sure that whatever bird that you get, when you get it, if it's under the
250
grams, you don't have to register it. But again, if you're going to be making money off of it with your videos, you need to do that. So let's see, my Mini serial number. And of course, if you're going to be doing it commercially, you need to get your Part 107 license. So you got to go take your courses. You got to set yourself up for the test. Just go to the FAA, and then pay your $160 now to take the test. And I guess in the future, you're going to be able to go on a respected or authorized website that gives the courses and get yourself signed off every 2 years on your license instead of taking the renewed exam. That's going to be great. I don't know if they're going to charge a fee or what's going to go on, but something in the next 18 months here is gonna happen when you do your renew test. Then you'll have to do that. But hopefully, it's going to be making the sport or the hobby much less restricted, as you want to call it. Night flights and flying over people, stuff like that. You still got to get an endorsement for. Whether it's the one in the future here, where you're just taking an added exam to get you approved for that, or they're going to continue with the waivers. So, okay, so I need to get my. I just wanted to make sure I added this into my altitude videos, and get the. I want to get these back. I got to get this back on this one. So let's see. Oh, and that's the easiest way to do it. Just get you a dynamo balls, embossing label maker, and stick that puppy on there, and you'll be good to go. Okay, all done. I got it put right on that. I want to call it leg. So now when it's out there, you can see it. It'll be facing the front on this one here, so it's right there. If anybody's asking any questions, if it crashes, then you've got it on here. If it loses a wing or loses the leg, then well, there was a drone, and then on my Mavic, I got it on this one here. I got it on the back leg. That's when you got your front out, and then you roll this one down and out. Now it's on the outside, facing. Okay, you can still see it. Still see it facing forward. I guess if you've got FAA inspectors running around out there and they get a call, they may show up at wherever you're flying, and then have to take a set of binoculars and look at it. You can probably see the numbers right on the wing. So that's why I got it like it is. Being faced out, if it's facing you, but even when you bring it back, it doesn't matter. The number has to be on. Your registration number has to be on the bird. Okay, also what I did is I made another set so I could put it on the controller. So if anybody's asking and you're flying, I would bring the drone back before you start talking about anybody. But if you're here and somebody wants to know what's going on with you and you're flying, you can say, well, here's my registration number, if you're really that concerned. So whether looking over your shoulder They can write down your number while you're doing it. Also, the fact that you've got your registration number on everything is the one for my other one, so I'll be putting that one there. Should put that right across the bottom, right across there, and then you're covered. Or you can put it under your transmitter. If you kind of flying like this, it's going to be over the top of your transmitter. Go with that underneath your antennas. Or you could put it underneath. Put it under the bottom here. You can put it inside here. You can put it across there. Kind of wherever you want to put it. So, there we go. Alright, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and you catch me on the next Dana Crosby's Altitude.